Welcome to my channel. This is Fact Zap, and today I'll show you how to grow faster on YouTube using vidIQ. If your views are stuck and you don't know what to post next, watch this. vidIQ shows you ideas with real search data so you can post what people are already searching for. Most creators guess titles and keywords. That wastes hours and the video dies. When you guess, you're blind. The graph stays flat, no new viewers find you, and your channel doesn't grow. Instead of guessing, vidIQ gives me daily ideas. These are ready-to-use topics that actually matter, with very high search interest, better click-through potential, and even the best times to post. That way I know exactly what to make instead of wasting hours guessing. After daily ideas, I use the keyword tool. It shows me the exact search volume, competition, and overall score for any topic. This makes it easy to see if a video idea is worth making before I spend hours creating it. Here's what to do if you want more YouTube views. Add numbers in your titles to grab attention. Use power words like shocking or amazing to spark curiosity. Always include keywords so your videos show up in search. And focus on top performing topics to double down on what already works. Why does this work? Numbers drive more clicks, power words create curiosity, keywords bring in search traffic, and top topics help your channel grow faster. Now let's talk about keywords. The smart way to grow your channel is by finding high search terms with low competition. Tools like vidIQ make this easy. Once you've got your keywords, use them in your titles, descriptions, and tags so your videos show up where people are already searching. After keywords, titles and thumbnails are the biggest factor for getting views. Your title should grab attention instantly, and your thumbnail should make people curious. Use bold words, clear images, and designs that pop. Remember, if viewers don't click, they'll never see your video. Consistency is what builds momentum on YouTube. Stick to a schedule, even if it's just a few times a week. Keep uploading shorts to stay active, and YouTube's algorithm will reward you by showing your videos to more people. Engagement tells YouTube your content is valuable. Ask viewers to leave a comment or answer a simple question. Use strong calls to action for likes and subscriptions. And always reply to your audience. The more interaction your videos get, the more YouTube will recommend them. If you're ready to grow your channel, start free with vidIQ today using the link below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple strategies to boost your YouTube growth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and check out the next video right here.